case there's 4 needles. It's literally pushing it through the felt. And don't worry if it doesn't catch it all on the first go. By the time you finish the piece, it will catch it. Now, if your needles end up inside your fabric, just hand turn like you do a sewing machine, and just hand turn it so that you can then move it away. This is the point at which you may break needles, when you're trying to take it out and you haven't turned them out. So I do it whatever each time, and then I know that I can put the next bit down. So you then take your chip and put it where you want. Now you've got to remember, some quite large pieces will disappear into nothing, especially if you've got 12 needles. So if you think when you've got 4 needles or 1 needle, it's going to take 4 times the length, or it's going to take, you know, 4 in our times 4. If you've got 12, you're in. Okay, so just be aware of that, and you can see already it's starting to shrink.